In this section of the lessons, we'll learn how to add HTML5 streaming video to a site. In the past, we had to rely on external streaming services like YouTube or use plugins to get our page to stream video. But now, with HTML5, we can do it natively in the browser using just plain HTML code. So this is now the new standard for any video you want to play on your pages. The first thing we need to do is convert our video into the streaming formats that are used. There are a lot of different choices for ways that we can get this done. Of course, if you already have a video editor, it can usually do this conversion for you, but you don't need any special software like that to get what we need done. A quick Google search will find you a lot of different tools you can choose from. For our lessons, I'll be using a free converter that came from Miro, and it'll do everything we need to here. In the Section 8 folder, I have a link to the Miro Video Converter page. If you want to use that, just download it and install it, and then you can follow along as we prepare our video for the site. I've already got it installed, so I'll open up the Miro converter right here. And also in the Section 8 folder, I'll drag in an MP4 video that I want to use for a latte pouring. This software will let us convert from almost any video format you have, and it'll output all the formats that we need. You can even use this program if you want to prepare any streaming audio files too. To get our video ready, we need to have it set up in at least one of the 3 streaming video formats that are available to us. WebM uses VP8 codecs for video and the Vorbis codecs for audio, and it's a newer standard just for streaming video on the web. This is the main format that Chrome uses, and most of the other WebKit browsers as well. MP4 uses the H.264 codecs for video, and the AAC codec for audio. H.264 is supported in nearly all phone and tablet devices, and it can take advantage of hardware acceleration there as well, so it's great for those formats. MP4 is the default standard right now for Safari browsers, and you can currently open it on Chrome, but future versions may not support it. Then there's Ogg Theora. This is the first standard, and it's the most open, but it's also the lowest in quality. It is the only truly free video format, so you're likely to see it used on a lot of Linux machines. Now, unfortunately, as you might have guessed, there isn't a single one of these formats that's supported in every browser. So that means for our streaming to have the greatest compatibility across all browsers and devices, we should actually convert our video into all 3. Now, our video is already in the MP4 format, so we don't need to make that one. So I'll just select the WebM HD format first and convert my video there. Of course, I'm showing this a little bit faster on the recording here. It might take a little while, but when it's finished, you'll have that file format created. And there it's done. Now let me just drag the same video back in again, and this time I'll go back to the video formats and I'll choose Ogg Theora and convert that one too. And now we've got them both ready to go. Now we'll need to go and get those new versions, so I'm going to click on the Settings button, and there it'll show me the folder that it put our video files into. They were dropped into the My Videos folder, but that's okay. I'm just going to grab both of them and drag them right into my Section 8 folder. And now we can use our elements on the page. And now that we have our video files all